Hi gang, Bruce Knight here with Your Chef 911 on the second of my salad dressing series videos. The reason I do them is because I think salad dressing in a bottle that you get from the store is often pretty bad. So I want to show how both easy it is and how much better it is to make your own. So today we're going to make a simple balsamic vinaigrette. Everybody loves it, and it's really, really easy and quick to make. The things I've done in advance are to make sure I have chopped garlic, that I have chopped basil, and that I have chopped parsley. I have olive oil. I obviously have a good, doesn't have to be a great, but a good balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of Dijon mustard as well. So I use a salad dressing beaker. It makes it really easy for me to do my measurements because the measurements are all in a beaker as I add them in. So again, I start with garlic. I throw in some roughly chopped basil, and then I put in balsamic vinegar straight into it, about a half a cup. All together, the volume brings it up to about a cup. Then I use my burr mixer, again, the greatest invention in the history of kitchens. Go and get one at Costco, 35 bucks. And I blend it all up. Then I slowly pour in olive oil. Good olive oil is the best, but it doesn't have to be, if it's not, $2 an ounce olive oil, that's okay. Anyway, I blend it up. I'm going to add a little bit of mustard as well, and I mean just a little bit, like a tablespoon at the most. You can add more if you like it, but mustard has a strong flavor. It's a great balance to the balsamic vinegar, and it also adds a little bit of salt. I will put some salt and pepper in as well, and if it's too thick, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to thin it down. Everybody's got water, so bring it to the consistency you want. Just remember that after you refrigerate it, it's going to solidify, and you're going to need to warm it up a little bit just by pulling it out of the refrigerator a few minutes before you actually need it. Okay guys, that's balsamic vinegar. You make about a pint with the in 2 minutes at the most, and it'll be great.